just landed on the moon in the Lambo. Taking pictures with the zoom and the angle. We'll be coming back to you with the samples. Our predictions coming soon with a halo. We just landed.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bill Noble from Token Metrics with an afternoon bulletin on some hot developments in the crypto market. So one of the things that we're looking at is a theme that Bitcoin in a range is a good thing. All right. Because that's allowing everything underneath Bitcoin to sort of catch up on the rally, catch up on the upside, and actually rally hard. Right. So one of the best charts to show this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay. This is from charts.cointrader.pro. Okay. So what we see here is an Elliott wave structure, okay, that I'm predicting for Bitcoin dominance to continue to go lower. All right. And we're coming up into a phase of this move where things underneath Bitcoin have done well. All right. To where we're in what I call the 5 wave. Okay. So, things did better versus Bitcoin, then Bitcoin improved, then things did better than Bitcoin, and then it was the huge Bitcoin dominance rally, and now that's being unwound. And not only is it being unwound, but it's being unwound in like the most vicious phase of an Elliott wave trend, which is the 5 wave, right? Where things get really hot and really emotional. So this to me looks like Bitcoin dominance can go from 67 to 64. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but that will take it back all the way to where it was in August, back when Bitcoin went on this sort of Bitcoin is king rally. So what am I saying? Well, it's about as close to alt season as you're going to get. We think big coins are going to do well, like Ethereum and Litecoin. It's already started. Stellar is moving, and we think a lot of the alt space can start rallying if Bitcoin is hanging around 9,500. All right. Now, to switch gears just a bit, okay, we wanted to show you alt market cap. Okay. So it's kind of another way of looking at this idea that alts are just about to go ballistic. Here in alts, if you look at this gray square area, alts have got a long way to go, folks, a long way to go to get to what the Elliott wave guys call previous fourth. Now, what does that mean? Well, in English, previous fourth just means the point where the last phases of the puke lower started, all right? And on this chart, there are 2 possible objectives. One is 88 billion market cap. Another one is 100 billion market cap. Okay, if we're at 100 billion market cap for alts, it probably means Ethereum is at like 300. So alts, as you can see here from this arrow, it's all green, okay? Alts went up and hung around here, which is a good sign, right? Because alts went into a consolidation phase rather than what alts usually do, which is go up and then just crack and fade. They're not acting like that. They're actually acting super bullish. They go up, they sit, they go up, they sit. And eventually, we think this could accelerate, okay? So there's a lot going on in alts, okay? We like the space. We think Bitcoin in a range is a good thing, all right? And we think alts are going to do a lot better. So that's it for us today. Have a good afternoon.
Steve and Dave use eToro to invest in the financial markets. Steve does research on global investment opportunities. Dave does research on how to become a level 60 wizard. Steve follows the feed for the latest market news. Dave follows the feed for the latest cat videos. Steve has a watch list for promising investments. Dave has a watch list too. So why is Dave just as good an investor as Steve? It's because Dave used eToro's copy trader to automatically replicate Steve's trading activity. Whenever Steve makes a trade, Dave does too.
Yes.
Trade like a Steve with eToro. the world's leading social trading platform.
Go, we to the moon in the Lambo. Ain't a hater who presume where we can't go.